Hey guys, so I told you that if you didn't have the holes on your bus, I'd show you how to do that. It's done with this tool we made. It's basically an offset tool, and you put it against the body line, and it'll locate where the center line is supposed to be on the car. Let me show you the tool. So it's 37.5 millimeters from this edge to here. That's really important. That's going to get you right in the center. This material is like some hard plastic I had laying around the shop. It's 7/16 thick, so it's two pieces of 7/16. It's about 2 inches wide. You're just going to put it right there against the body line, take a pencil, and then just slide it back and forth all the way down. And it should give you the center line there, and that's where you're going to drill the hole. Hold your molding up, drill the hole. I'll show you how to do that now. So in order to lay out the holes, I'm going to use my tool and run it all the way around the car. I'm going to put it here at the belt molding, take my pencil, and just mark that center line. Like that. And I'm going to go all the way down the car. So do the short piece, the cargo doors, and the quarter panel. So now that we've got the line laid out, we're going to try and find the holes, or the location of the holes. Out of the box, the door here wants to rock. If you had an original bus with the holes, you could just simply put a screw hole here, here, one on the end, and it would conform to the body. But because there are no holes, it doesn't just sit on the body flat. So you'll find a spot, it'll probably be in the middle. It's right about here. I'm just going to bend it a tiny bit right here in the middle and try and get it to sit against the body. So that's already a lot better. A tiny bit more. And by doing that, it's just going to be easier to hold against the body. So now you can see it's sticking up there. That's fine. I'm sighting through and looking for that pencil line. So I can see it back here, here, here. I'm going to look up towards the front, and it's there. I'm going to take a Sharpie, and I'm going to mark where they're at. So one there, there, here, 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 here. Just try and mark in the center of the hole of the slot. And if you didn't hold it perfectly straight up and down against that line, it's okay. If you can see the line, that's all you really need. I'm going to pull this off, and we'll look at our lines. So you can see we were a little high here. This is on the line, a little low. It's fine. Now we know where we need to drill the hole. So we're going to get our drill bit, our drill gun, drill holes there, and then mount the part. This car is actually going to go out for paint, but we're going to pre-drill all the holes, so I'm showing you guys how to do that now. Okay, so I've got my drill gun and my drill bit. It's 90 thousandths drill bit, and my paint stir stick. I've drilled a hole in the end of my stir stick, and I just find my marks along the line. So wherever they fall along my line, I drill through there. What the stir stick's going to do is, on a painted car, it's going to prevent me from scratching the paint once I drill through with the end of the drill bit or the drill gun. So you're going to line it up to where that mark is on the hole, or on the line. And then when it goes through, it's the actual stick that hits the paint. In this case, there's no paint. This car is going to get sent out for bodywork and paint. So the stir stick's less important, but if you're working on a finished car, a painted car, maybe a restoration, the stir stick's a great tip. I highly recommend you grab one, piece of wood, something like that. Really helps the job. So I've finished drilling the holes. I'm going to take my molding, hold it up here, and actually just sight through those slots. Those slots are making this job really easy to line these holes up. And I can actually see each hole behind the slot. So you need to take your molding and go all the way around the rest of the body, marking it out and drilling it. Once that's done, it's going to make it real easy to install.